Hello, little ones. It's me. It's Mrs McKee. I'm back in my hut. I'm back in the garden and I'm ready to make some music with you this afternoon. What have you been up to this last few days? Have you been out and about? Have you been getting enough exercise? Have you maybe, if you're lucky enough to have a garden, been out and about in your garden? Have you been noticing all the new flowers and plants that are getting ready to burst into flower? Lots and lots of insects and butterflies have been flying around my garden this week, and I've been able to notice lots of them because I've been out planting vegetables and seeds ready to eat in a few weeks' time. I've also been reading some really good books. How about you? And I've been baking some absolutely disgustingly delicious chocolate cakes for my family to eat. They don't last long in my house, that's for sure. But today is music day, so are you ready? Have you got your hands ready to say hello to everybody? Hello, how are you? It's very nice to see you. It's really good to be here. I hope you remember our hello song. Join in with me. Ready for your waves? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? It's very nice to see you, to see you, to see you. It's very nice to see you today. It's really good to be here. It's really good to be here, to be here, to be here. It's really good to be here, to be here today. Back to the beginning with our hellos. Hello, hello, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? Give me some big waves, everybody. Hello, how are you? I hope you're really well. I hope you've been looking after your family, your loved ones, and keeping yourselves busy. Maybe you've been making some more fantastic percussion instruments that we will be using in a short while. But first of all, we are going to sing one of my favourite warming up songs of all time. I'm sure some of you are going to remember this. It's about one of my crazy characters called Dr. Knickerbocker. And all you need for this is 9 fingers so that you can count up to 9. Also, different bits of your body to get the rhythm with. So we're going to have our hands, our feet, our hips, whoop woo, our lips, and our heads, nod, nod. And all you need to do is join in with the questions and the answers. We're only going to clap our hands 2 times as an answer. Now let's get the rhythm of the hands. Yes, we've got the rhythm of our hands. And then we do our counting. Now let's get the rhythm of the number 9. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to add on a different bit of the body each time we've counted to 9. I really want to see your best moves for this one though, because Dr. Knickerbocker number 9 likes to dance and keep in time. So best moves for me. Don't forget only 2 claps or stamps when it's time to answer, and big calling out those number 9s for me right till the end of the song. Right, hope I've got the right CD track. Let's just check. Yes, we're ready to go. We're going to stand up for this one. Here we go. You ready? I'm going to have a big boogie. Here it goes. Dr. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker number 9. He likes to dance and he keeps in time. Now let's get the rhythm of the hands. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hands. Now let's get the rhythm of the number 9. Count loudly for me. 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boogie! Dr.
He likes to dance and he keeps in time. Now let's get the rhythm of the feet. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the feet. Now let's get the rhythm of the hands. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hands. Now let's get the rhythm of the number 9. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dr. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker, number 9. He likes to dance and he keeps in time. Now let's get the rhythm of our hips. Woo, woo. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hips. Woo, woo. Now let's get the rhythm of the feet. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the feet.
Are we just doing 2?
Now let's get the rhythm of the hands. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hands.
Ready to count?
Now let's get the rhythm of the number 9. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dr. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker, number 9. He likes to dance and he keeps in time. Now let's get the rhythm of the lips.
Blow me a big kiss, everybody.
We've got the rhythm of the lips. Now let's get the rhythm of the hips. Woo, woo. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hips. Woo, woo.
Now your
Now
feet.
let's get the rhythm of the feet. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the feet.
Now your hands.
Now let's get the rhythm of the hands. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hands. Now let's get the rhythm of the number 9.
Let's count.
A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dr. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker, number 9.
Go on, let's see your
He
best
likes to
movies.
dance and he keeps in time. Now let's get the rhythm of the head. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the head. Now let's get the rhythm of the lips. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the lips. Now let's get the rhythm of the hips. Woo, woo. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hips. Woo, woo. Now let's get the rhythm of the feet. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the feet.
Last time.
Now let's get the rhythm of the hands. Yes, we've got the rhythm of the hands. Now let's get the rhythm of the number 9.
Let me hear you, everyone.
1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Give yourselves a great big clap, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed that song. That's one of my favourites. Dr. Knickerbocker. You could always sing it at home, and you could make up different actions for different parts of your bodies, maybe. I know somebody's going to come up with one that we probably won't be doing all together. But hey, enjoy that. You could teach it to your family. So now's the time to find your musical instrument. Whatever it is that you made, it would be great today if it's something shaky. But if you didn't make something shaky, it really doesn't matter. All you're going to need to do is to make a splash with it. Can you guess which song we're going to be doing next? You can do this sitting down or standing up. It's up to you. I'm going to be sitting down for now so that I can reach my musical instruments and somebody else who might be coming to visit us this time. Let's see if you can remember how it goes. I'm going to give you a clue by doing the actions. Here I go. Did you guess what the song was? I hope so, and if you did, you were probably singing it in your head, in your thinking voice. Let's use our singing voices and everybody join in this time. Are you ready? Off we go. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, pitter patter, time. Off we go. Rain is falling down. Splash. Rain is falling down. Splash. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Rain is falling down. Splash. Well done if you sang along with me and did the actions at the same time. That's super, because this time you guys are going to need to do the actions yourselves, because my hands are going to be busy doing something else. They're going to be busy, where's it gone? They're going to be busy with a friend of mine. Do you remember who this is? It's the Magic Bunny! Can you remember what the Magic Bunny does? I hope so. Every time the Magic Bunny is popping out of the hat, that means you use your singing voice. But what happens when the Magic Bunny hides inside the hat? You have to use your thinking voice. So I hope you've got both of those voices with you this time, and I hope that you can see the Magic Bunny clearly enough to work out when you're supposed to use your singing voice and your thinking voice. Okay, so you do the actions and watch out for when the bunny disappears. He's going to start off up here. Are you ready? Off we go. Rain is falling down. Rain is falling down. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Rain is falling down. Did you notice which word the Magic Bunny kept hiding on? It was splash. Can we do it one more time? And this time, can you really, really make your actions for the splash ever so big? But not sing it in your singing voice, just use your thinking voice. Here he goes. Off we go. Rain is falling down. Rain is falling down. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Rain is falling down. Did you make your actions really big that time for the splash? I do hope so, because this time you're going to use your musical instrument instead of singing the word splash. So I'm going to put the Magic Bunny back now, and I'm going to pick up the instrument that I've chosen this week, because I think it sounds a bit more like splashing in a puddle. Can you hear that? To me, that sounds quite like splashing in a puddle. So I'm going to be using this one instead of singing the word splash. Let me show you what I want you to do. My go first. So with this hand I'm going to do the actions, and this hand I'm going to do the splash. So it'll go like this. Rain is falling down. Rain is falling down. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Rain is falling down. Can you see how the splash sounds really good if we don't sing along with it? Now, you guys don't have to do the actions as well, because that might be too many things to do at once. Unless you're an extremely clever year 2, and you might just be able to manage it. But let's do it one time through first of all without doing any actions, and just concentrate on not singing with our singing voices on the word splash, but thinking them in our thinking voice and playing them with our musical instrument. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you haven't got a shaky thing. You could use your cereal box drum or whatever you've made, your biscuit tin or your waste paper basket, to make a really big splash. Are you ready? From the beginning, so don't worry about the actions. Just singing for me and using your thinking voice. Off we go, rain is falling down. Rain is falling down. Pitter Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, rain is falling down. Did you do it? I bet that sounded really good. If you're feeling very clever, you could try doing the actions with me now. Off we go, rain is falling down. Rain is falling down. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, rain is falling down. Goodness, was that a little bit like rubbing your tummy and patting your head at the same time? I hope you managed it, but if you didn't, don't worry. What we're really concentrating on today is using our thinking voices and getting those splashes in the right place. We're going to do one more thing with this song now. This time, I want you to do the opposite. So instead of using your thinking voice for the splash word, I want you to use your thinking voice for all of the other words. And only use your singing voice for the word splash. So we've turned it all the way around and we're doing the total opposite. Let me show you first. So I'm going to use my shaker to help me think all the other words apart from splash. Off I go. Splash. 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 Could you hear all the words? With my shaker, it wasn't ever so clear, but you may have an instrument that sounds much clearer than me. Let's see if we can do it together. So we are playing the words with our instruments, thinking them at the same time to make sure we're doing the right words, and then all saying splash with our speaking voices this time. Can you help me? Are you ready? Off we go. Splash. Was it hard? Should we do it one more time, just to make sure? Are you ready? Off we go. Splash. Splash. Well done if you got all the words and all of your instrument matching, and remember to do splash at the end of every sentence, except for which one? The pitter-patter in the middle. Fab job everybody, well done you. So next time we'll do some more activities with our homemade percussion instrument, so bring them every time you're ready to watch these videos, because we'll be using them every single time. I think one last proper jobby song should be the April shower song that we started last time. It's been very beautiful and sunny over the last week or so, but I've heard the weatherman saying that it's going to be wet, wet, wet over the next couple of days. So these songs, all about rain, should fit in beautifully. I wonder if you remember the words from last week that we learnt. Hey little April showers, don't you rain on me. You can rain wherever you like, but please stay clear of me. You can rain on the daffodils in the lane, but don't you rain on me. We're going to learn some more words this week. This is verse 2. Hey little April shower, falling from the sky. Can't you stay there in that cloud? I just want to stay dry. You can rain on the rooftops in my street, but don't you rain on me. Are you ready to do it one line at a time? So remember, when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, it's your turn. It'd be great if you could be singing along at home. I go first. Hey, little April shower, falling from the sky. Your turn. Hey, little April shower, falling from the sky. Did you do it? Next bit goes like this. Can't you stay there in that cloud? And you're a bit annoyed with it now. Can't you stay there in that cloud? You do it with an annoyed face. Off you go. Can't you stay there in that cloud? And then the next line goes like this. I just want to stay dry. You'll go. I just want to stay dry. So those three lines all together from the beginning, my turn first, go like this. Hey, little April shower, falling from the sky. Can't you stay there in that cloud? I just want to stay dry. You'll go. Hey, little April shower, falling from the sky. Can't you stay there in that cloud? I just want to stay dry. Well done. And then the last bit is almost the same as the first verse, but instead of daffodils, we've got rooftops in my street. So it sounds like this. You can rain on the rooftops in my street, but don't you rain on me. Can you join in with me? Off you go. You can rain on the rooftops in my street, but don't you rain on me. Okay? So the whole verse 2, all the way through, goes like this. Hey, little April shower, falling from the sky. Can't you stay there in that cloud? I just want to stay dry. You can rain on the rooftops in my street, but don't you rain on me. So I think we could do verse 1 and verse 2 now. So the first verse is, you can rain wherever you like, but please stay clear of me, is the first verse with the daffodils. And then the second verse is the cloud, I want to stay dry. And then the rooftop. Okay, do you think you can remember all of those? I'm going to see if I can get the right track up. I think I've got the right CD this time. Here it goes. Okay, so don't you rain on me, little April shower. Ready? Big breath. Here we go.
Hey, little April shower, don't you rain on me. You can rain wherever you like, but please stay clear of me. You can rain on the daffodils in my lane, but don't you rain on me.
Ready? Falling from the sky this time. Here we go, big breath.
Hey, little April shower, falling from the sky. Can't you stay there in that cloud? I just want to stay dry. You can rain on the rooftops in my street, but don't you rain on me.
I'm going to play you the third verse just so you know what it is next time.
Hey, little April shower, I am watching you. You are getting closer, and soon I'll be wet through. You can rain and rain on my window pane, but don't you rain on me.
Let's go back to the first verse, everybody. Here we go.
Hey, little April shower, don't you rain on me. You can rain wherever you like, but please stay clear of me. You can rain on the daffodils in my lane, but don't you rain on me.
There's the sound of the rain. If I do some more recording in my hut tomorrow, I reckon everybody will be able to hear it if it's really heavy. So everybody, I hope you've really enjoyed our lesson this time. I'll see you again next time for some more weathery songs, some more percussion and some more silly warm-ups. Maybe you can teach some of those songs to your family in the meantime. But now it's time for us to say our goodbyes. I hope you've got your waves. We're going to do them 2 different ways today. Let's see if you can copy my slow goodbye and my fast goodbye. Not as fast as you possibly can, and remembering to use your really lovely voices all the way through. Just because we're singing slowly doesn't mean to say that we have to sound like a turtle. And just because we're singing fast doesn't mean to say that we can sing it as loudly as we possibly want. We're still going to use our beautiful voices, just a bit faster, just a bit slower. Are you ready? I wonder if you can catch up with me. I'm going to go slow first. Are you ready? Off we go. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. So did you use your nice voices and just sing it really slowly? Okay, here we go. Same thing, but fast. Listen for the pulse. Are you ready? Off we go. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. Did you do it? That was quite fast. But I know what you're all saying. We want to do it faster, Mrs McKee! Not as fast as you possibly can, but yeah, go on. Ready? Quite fast. Are you ready? Off we go. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. Was that fast enough for you? No, I know, it's never fast enough for you. Very last time, and then it really is time to say goodbye. Okay, super fast. Hope you don't get your fingers in a tangle. Are you ready? Off we go. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. I'm glad that you were here. Give yourself a clap. I hope you did it. And I hope you've had lots of fun today. Goodbye everyone. Take care. Look after your loved ones, and I'll see you next time.